Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of sundial growers. Now, it was the darling stock till February 2021, then it has battered and you know probably retail investors shun this stock. Now, the first important thing to look, if you are looking at this stock right now, you need to understand that this is still in correction and consolidation, and I would say it's not a big deal. And why I am saying this is because of certain conditions which we need to understand. So if you are looking at this overall chart, you will see that from the lows of October 2020, it has given you a return of 2700% in a span of I would say three months and 2 weeks, so 105 days. So this is a very small amount of time, and you have earned a lot. Now, obviously, at that time, stock market makes a jolt, and the stock has shaken quite significantly from the upside towards the downside. Now, the levels which you may look at are 61 cents. You have 61 cents as your immediate support. Further on the downside, you have a set of support in between 49 and 46 or 47 cents, and your final support at 37 cents. Now understand that there is a possibility of 37 cents as well. So if the stock is going to move in the same way, it can move down to 37 cents, where we will have our last resort, and below 37 cents we need not to carry any further position on the downside. So this is the most important thing you need to understand over here, and it will further correct and consolidate going forward. So you need to be very patient enough, and you need to understand you have 4 support levels, and there is a possibility of 37 cents. So it is quite down, even if the stock price is very low. So from the current price, I am saying 40% down is also a possibility. Now, because we have understand our support and a stop loss right now, so one thing is left is what about the upside. So if the stock continues to sustain above, so this is the condition, if the stock continues to sustain above 61 cents, in that case the upside will open up, where we will have our initial target at 95 cents. Furthermore, beyond 95 cents, we will have a set or a range of target which consists 3 consecutive or 3 very much nearby targets, which will start with 1.32, then we have 1.51, and you have $1.7. So beyond 0.95, you have these 3 targets starting with 1.32 and can go up to $1.7 on the upside. And $1.7 will be a major hurdle. Once that get crossed, you will have our previous target or the recent target that the stock has made, but this time it's going to be a range. Okay, so there is a range which we are looking here. So beyond 1.7 or 1.71, 1.8, the big target, if it works out, then it is going to be 4 and 5.5 in the upcoming weeks and months. So this is all about the big scenarios and possibilities, but it is in the long term. Most importantly, what we are looking in the short term, and for that, this chart is clearly telling you that we are still in a consolidation or correction phase. It will take its own time, and whether it is earnings or something else, so only key drivers or catalyst will push the price higher. And if you are still interested to look at this particular stock, you need to understand that there are further levels on the downside which still persist, and there is a possibility for that. So make your decisions accordingly, and most importantly, don't go below 37 cents on the downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.